Good afternoon, everyone. In this video, we're going to do two things. We're going to learn about something which we will call altitude lines, and we're going to talk about medians. Both of these things are not that hard. In the other classes, most people understood those things pretty quickly, and let's hope that will also be the case with you guys. We're going to start with medians because those are a little bit easier than the altitude lines. And the median is, we're going to look at it in a triangle. If we have a triangle, and draw a similar triangle to this one in your notebook, please. Then we can draw three medians. Before we're going to draw them, I'm going to give you the definition of a median. And a definition is basically what does the word median mean? A median starts on a vertex and goes to the middle of the opposing side. So in this case, if we want to draw the median of point A, we have to draw a line that starts in point A and it goes to BC, but it goes to BC at a very specific place. In this case, BC is 26 centimeters, so after 13 centimeters, I'm going to draw a point, then we can draw the first median. Like that. So this line is the median of angle A, and then you can see that this line segment and the other line segment are equal. Then we're going to draw another median. Now we're going to draw the median of point B. Maybe you can already draw them yourselves, but if you don't, pay attention. This line is about 20 centimeters, so in the middle is at 10. And then you can draw the second median. And the third one, we're going to measure AB, which is about 30, which means median should be at about 15. And then you will see something very peculiar because all of the medians go through one single point. This point over here. I'm going to call it P. All three medians go through one single point, which we'll call the centroid. So the centroid is basically the point through which all three medians go. Okay, then that's the medians. Let's go to the altitude lines, and those are harder. And we're going to draw a second triangle. And we're going to call this DEF. And once again, before we start drawing the altitude lines, we're going to write down what they are. An altitude line, starts in a vertex and intersects the opposing side Okay, what does that mean? You can think of altitude lines as follows. For example, if we have this triangle DEF and we put DE on the floor and we would have this thing over here at F and we would draw it. Then there is like a line which shows you where it was. So in this case, use our protected triangle with this line over here to make sure that it's perpendicular. Then we can draw this line. So that is the altitude line of angle F. And we can do something similar for the other two angles. So for angle E, put it down like this. And then the line over there. And what you can also see is that the three altitude lines also go through one point. And all of these angles where they intersect the opposite sides are perpendicular, right angles, sorry. So they intersect perpendicular. This point over here, let's call it P as well, the three. So three altitude lines intersect in the orthocenter. Sometimes this is a lot harder when you have a triangle like this. Last example. Let's call it KLM. Because if we want to draw the altitude line of M and our protected triangle is on KL, we can never go through M. So we have to extend KL a little bit like that. And then we can draw the altitude line as well. So the altitude line basically goes through the extended part of KL. With these three examples, you should be able to manage to do most of the exercise in 7.1. Keep in mind, whenever you have to plot points, draw a set of x's first. That's something some people have struggled with. Good luck.